Hello everyone. In this video, we will cover the CDN part of Azure. So let's start by creating the resource group. Create resource group in East US and let's say create. Okay, we got resources got created. Now we're gonna go into the storage account and create one storage account, the resource group, and gonna call it. Let's call it storage CDN 2021. Okay, CDN stands for Content Discovery Network. So we're gonna upload a video and then we will explain about CDN further in this video. Okay, so we created a resource group. Now we're creating a storage account. So CDN we will for this video we will upload for this demo we will upload a video and then we will try to use it through the web link, and we will see that we will create a CDN and CDN endpoint as well, which will help to download the video or any data content quickly. So the whole point of CDN is that if you got multiple so if your video is in a different region, like if you are based video is based in US region, and if you are in somewhere in Middle East, if you want to access that video, it can take some time. So what CDN do, it usually create a cache which help for the next user to make the data download quickly and easily. So okay, we got our data storage created. Now let's go into a container and create a folder. We will call it just web. You can call it anything, but just use the web. Okay, a thing which I forget to do when I was doing it, you need to make it public. So let's quickly change it. So you got options here. If you forget to do it on the there, you can click here and then change access, and from here you can make it public. Let's hit okay. So at the moment there is nothing underneath this, so we haven't uploaded anything. So let's try to upload something. So I will choose something from my created this my MP4. It's like 10 MB probably 13 MB. So let's upload this one. Okay, that's uploaded. Now let's go into this file, and it's a blob data. Let's copy this URL and try to see if we can able to access it. Yep, welcome back. It's playing now. So let me quickly show you this setting again. So if I go here, so this is a file setting. You can't able to change from here. You need to change the uh, visibility access through container. So if I change this one, this is not our topic, but let me quickly show you. So if I go and change access level to private, and if I try to access this video, you will see we are getting like access issue. You don't have, does not exist, and it will not show. And if I change it back to this is public, and if I access, just give it a second. Here we go. It comes up. So it's pretty much instantaneous, so it will work. So okay, now we discuss about CDN. Now, so this is based in US. The container is based in US. So if you go to Azure CDN, sorry about that, and let's try to create a CDN profile. So I'm gonna call it, let me call it storage web CDN. Okay, in the pricing tier, we will use Microsoft. There are other vendors as well. So we'll stick to Microsoft and I will call it storage web endpoints, just storage web. And we will, original host name is, we're gonna leave it like this. So storage web.azure edge.net is the URL. Let's create it. You will see we will have an endpoint once it's created up here. Just gonna give it for a few more minutes. It can take some time. You can check the times from here as well, like roughly how long it's been running for. So yeah, I got my VM running on the side to log into that one to test something. So it's taking a bit longer than usual, but yep, that's done. As I said, you can see the endpoint is being created, which is underneath this. If I click on this host name, you can see we got endpoint host name and then we got original host name. So endpoint host name will be the point where you got the nearest data center to get it downloaded. Which means if you are sitting somewhere in the Middle East or India, if you try to access this video, it will cache it in the local server. And if somebody next time, so if somebody try to access the same video next time or your web page, it will be in cache and it will be quicker to response. Okay, so we haven't finished it yet. So what we need to do, we need to link up this storage video to this. So what we need to do, we need to go to origin. Under the origin, we need to go to configuration, configure origin, and then we need to give the path. So we call that folder was web and click OK. So this will link up to our storage. So let me duplicate and show you what does that mean by that. If I go to my storage and under the container, sorry, this is where it's pointing to. So this is where I want it to point to. And if I scroll further down, you can see the origin path is this, which contain the video which we just uploaded. So my MP4. Okay, now let's wait for it. It can take up to 20 minutes, but we will keep checking. So let's go back to the CDN path. For this, we need to go to overview and let's go to our storage account. Sorry, yep, we don't want anything here. Storage account and Azure CDN. Under CDN, we go under the host name, and under the host name, you can see we got two links here. So we are after this. So this link is same like the one which we got here. So let me copy this link and open up a notepad. So it's easy to compare. So this is our original link. And if I copy this one, yep, it's same. It's just this is the link to the storage. So we need to add this one when we can access it. And if I go back to our CDN link, you can see it's different. So this is where our video has been cached, and this is near to my nearest data center to my place. So if I copy this one, okay, I need to add this because I need to access, I'm trying to access this video. And if I do backslash and then copy this name, because we have mapped up till here. If you saw it when we were mapping it, so this is a part and we have mapped up till here. The rest is the video. So let's go back to our, okay, I'm gonna close this one down because I know this is working. To another video, yeah, it's playing. So let's close this one down and let's go back in here. So our aim is to get this one working. So let's wait. Yes, is it the expected behavior? It can take 5-10 minutes. So let's wait for a few more minutes. We will give another, I would say, 4 minutes. If it doesn't come up, so it will work. We have I've been testing it, but if it doesn't work, like you can try. But we need to finish this video. We can't have so long video waiting for 20 minutes. But you can give it a go if you follow the steps which I have followed. Okay, I will go on a mute for a minute and then we will give it a go after few minutes. Okay, sorry, I just gonna come out of the mute. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it will work, but it will take it time. Uh, don't want to make this video so long. It can take up to 20 minutes, and I've seen it happening twice, like where it took longer. Okay, thanks for watching. We're gonna close this video here, and we will see you in another video. Bye for now. Thank you.